Alrighty, going back to Excel, I set this up to save a little bit of time. You can see that I just put seconds as a ratio to minutes, or 60 seconds per minute, 60 minutes per hour, 24 hours in a day, 365 days in a year. But suppose we want to know how many seconds were in a year. It's one question we're going to answer. And how many years would be 250,000 seconds, for instance? And not quite as easy as a jump, although I'm sure you could Google it and tell you anyways. They're awesome unit conversions built in at Google. Another thing I want to point out really quick is, say I actually put where in this second cell 60 multiplied by D2, so 60 seconds per every 1 minute, then I could quickly change my minutes. It's 2 minutes, so it would convert to 120, or maybe 2.25 for instance, 135 seconds. All right, and likewise I did that here. 365 days per year, going backwards, I know I would have to divide however many days by 365 to see how many years that is. So if I input here 730, it would tell me 2 years, or some random odd number, right? 1,000 days, 2.74 approximately years. For now, I'm going to go back and just change this to what we had originally, 60, 1 minute, 365 days for every 1 year. Okay, just so I don't have a bunch of formulas messing me up. So how many seconds per year? So I'm starting with year. I covered this just so it wouldn't be distracting at first. But I'd input my formula here, right? D8 star. Looking at this, it's just a whole bunch of cells. So what did I do? I took the year, multiplied by B5 divided by D5, multiplied by the days divided by the year. That way the unit year cancels. But I don't want days, so therefore I need to cancel days. Multiplied by hours over days, so that cancels. And likewise minutes over hours here, so that cancels. And last is seconds over minutes, so that the minute cancels and I end with seconds. So take some time, absorb that. I don't think it's, just easily computed from the start, but essentially what we did is we cross-canceled every unit down all the way till we were in seconds. So now what if I want to go backwards, seconds to years? Well, then I'm canceling the other units, right? So get off of that one, make this to white. So I'm starting with my 250,000 seconds here. I want seconds to cancel. Therefore, in the formula, right, I'm dividing by B2, which is the seconds, and I'm multiplying by minutes. But I don't want minutes, I want that to cancel. So I'm dividing by these minutes to get to hours. But then I need my hours to cancel, dividing by hours to day, and last, canceling, right, in B5 my days, so that I end in years. So once you have this set up once, right, really easy to just, okay, how many seconds are in 1.5 years, right? How many seconds are in 20 years, which is some astronomically large number. Remember, this e to the 0.8 means I'm moving this decimal 8 places, right? It's scientific notation where they're multiplying by 10 to the 8th power. Okay. Likewise, I could change this. We'll just add a 0 in here. 2.5 million basically seconds gets me up to 0.08 approximately, not even close to a year yet. Alrighty, hopefully this helps, and you could set up things similar for any sort of units, whether you have just one computation or multiple. Excel's powerful, right? Start using it to your advantage. Hope this helps. Email me with any questions or ask in the discussion board.